Okay, Donna.
Yes, Wilbert?
Let's talk about making a doctor's appointment.
That is very useful.
Many people need to call a clinic.
Or book an appointment online.
That's right.
Sometimes this can feel difficult in English.
But don't worry.
We will practice together.
Let's imagine you are not feeling well.
Oh no.
Maybe you have a sore throat
Or a headache.
or a bad cough.
So you decide to call the doctor.
Exactly.
What is the first thing we say?
A simple phrase is,
I would like to make an appointment.
let's repeat.
I would like to make an appointment.
Again.
I would like to make an appointment.
Very good.
That phrase is polite.
And easy to remember.
Let's learn another phrase.
Sure.
I need to see a doctor.
Let's repeat.
I need to see a doctor.
Again.
I need to see a doctor.
Excellent.
Now let's practice a phone conversation.
I will be the receptionist.
And I will be the patient.
Good morning, Green Clinic. How can I help you?
Hello, I would like to make an appointment.
Of course.
Thank you.
What is your name?
My name is Donna.
And what seems to be the problem?
I have a sore throat.
I see.
Can I see a doctor today?
Yes, we have an appointment at 2 p.m.
That is perfect.
Great. We will see you at 2 p.m.
Thank you very much.
You are welcome.
That was easy.
Very easy.
Let's practice some useful questions.
Good idea.
Can I see a doctor today?
Can I see a doctor today?
Do you have any available appointments?
Do you have any available appointments?
What time is the appointment?
What time is the appointment?
Wonderful. Now let's talk about the word available.
Good idea.
Available means free.
For example, the doctor is available at 3 p.m.
That means the doctor is free at 3 p.m.
Exactly.
English can be simple when we learn step by step.
That's true.
Now, let's imagine a funny situation.
Oh, I like funny situations.
One day, I wanted to make a doctor's appointment,
Okay.
but I was very tired.
What happened?
The receptionist asked, "What is your name?"
And?
I almost said, "My name is Tuesday." I don't know why.
Maybe you needed a nap.
Probably.
Listeners, have you ever said something funny by mistake?
It happens to everyone.
And that's okay.
Mistakes help us learn.
Now let's do some listening practice.
Listen carefully.
Hello, how can I help you?
I would like to make an appointment.
What is your name?
My name is Donna.
Can you come at 10 a.m.?
Yes, I can.
Excellent.
Now let's do speaking practice.
Repeat after us.
I would like to make an appointment.
I would like to make an appointment.
I need to see a doctor.
I need to see a doctor.
Can I see a doctor today?
Can I see a doctor today?
What time is the appointment?
What time is the appointment?
Excellent job.
You are learning real English.
English you can use in real life.
And that is very important.
In the next section, we will arrive at the clinic and talk to the receptionist.
So keep listening
Keep practicing.
and keep speaking English every day.